Dear learners, this is K. Ishwar Rao, Assistant Professor, Jamshedpur Cooperative College. Subject is Introduction to Marketing, Unit 2. This is Part 3 of Unit 2. The learning objectives, review of topics that we have gone through, concept of market segmentation, introduction and history, need of market segmentation, frameworks, variables, and characteristics of segment variables. Concept of market segmentation. Market segmentation is a process of dividing the market of potential customers into different groups and segments on the basis of certain characteristics. The members of these groups share similar characteristics and usually have one or more than one aspect common among them. The segments created are composed of consumers who will respond similarly to marketing strategies and who share traits such as similar interests, needs, or locations. Market segmentation is being used by marketers since the late 1900s. Simple though it may be, it is of vital use of forming any marketing plan. Variables or basis for market segmentation: geographic, demographic, psychographic, behavioral. These are four basic variable factor, you can say the basis for market segmentation, that is apparently visible in the market in today's life. There might be some other factors also. Let's see what are all the variables inside geographic factor. The countries, nations, states, regions, cities, neighborhoods. Like the person who is residing in Andhra Pradesh might behave differently to the person who is from Bihar. The consumption pattern, the lifestyle, the living way, or the dressing etiquette are different from the person to person. Similarly, demographic, the factors are age, gender, sex, family, education, income. The person who is having the income slab of more than 5 lakhs in a year and the person who is having the income slab less than 2 lakhs in a year might have different consumption pattern or different preferences. Like the luxury consumption will be more the person who belongs to 5 lakh or more income group. Psychographic, lifestyle, social class, personality. Social class you can take. Social class is something like the middle class, upper lower class, upper middle class. And this kind of classes have different kind of behavioral consumptions. Behavioral, based on which we can segment the market: user status, user rate, benefits sought, occasions, loyalty, attitude. Once you start consuming the products of Samsung and you are really happy by consuming it, you will try to buy more and more product that belongs to Samsung. For example, you have started consuming the product of Samsung, you can say the mobile. You are happy with Samsung's services, you are happy with the Samsung's features. Now you will try or prefer to buy a new product, electronic device of Samsung only, like the refrigerator, like the telephone, like television, and so on. Characteristics of market segmentation: it is measurable, means based on which the factors based on which you will segment the market. How to decide whether this factor will contribute to our objective or not. If it is measurable, yes, it is good. So we are trying to identify the characteristics of market segmentation. Measurable should be quantifiable, such as in terms of population, income and age bracket, among other factors. It should be accessible. Market segments should be accessible in terms of geography and economy. This is because the marketing strategy used for one group should differ from the strategy used for another. Profitable. A market segment should be large enough to be worth pursuing. The main aim of market segmentation is to be able to tailor marketing techniques towards specific segments. This enables a firm to enjoy economies of scale while at the same time fulfilling consumers' need. Market responsiveness means the adequate demand. Consumers in a given market segment should be responsive to the products meant for them. Unless consumers in market segments are willing to respond to the products developed, there is a little reason to develop these products. Identifiable characteristics. Groups of consumers may have common preferences and needs, but unless they share these with the company, a marketing strategy will fail. Customer surveys or an evaluation of customer behavior are ways of identifying such characteristics. Substantial characteristics. Market segmentation has to be based on characteristics that are important for the consumers. If a characteristic is negligible, a marketing strategy based on it will not motivate potential customers in a market segment to buy the product or service. Affordability. The potential customer's ability and willingness to pay for a product or service. The division of markets into segments with common income levels plays a major role in marketing strategies. Suitability. The segmentation must have overall suitability with firm's internal and external situation. It must suit with resources, objectives and policies of the firm. Actionability. The segmentation must permit a company to take necessary actions effectively. The firm must be in position to respond different segments firmly. It must be able to tackle the problems and to absorb available opportunities. Some other characteristics. Potential of growth means this factor, any factor that you choose for market segmentation, should have the potential of growth. And differentiability, the main concern of the marketer is differentiability. Whenever they are trying to segment the market, it should be the base for differentiation of their own product with the customers. Thanking you.